Hello everyone, I will show you how to set your Outlook calendar to out of office status. Open the Outlook app on your PC, navigate to the Calendar section by clicking on Calendar from the left side menu. Click on New Event in the upper left corner first, select the date when you will be out of office. If you will be unavailable for only a few hours, set the time range, otherwise enable the all-day option. If you need to set multiple unavailable days, click on the date range selector and choose your preferred duration for more than 5 days. Select Custom and specify the range after selecting the dates. Click on Free in the upper section of the event window from the drop. Down menu, choose Out of Office. Enter a title such as Out of Office. You can also add a description if necessary. Once done, click Save Your Calendar will. Now display your out-of-office status, making it visible to colleagues and preventing meeting bookings during that time. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.